Hello everyone, welcome to part 1 of From Easy to Crazy. In this series, we'll explore various bend knots, starting with the basics and gradually moving to more complex knots. In this episode, we'll begin with the square knot. This knot is one of the easiest to tie, making it perfect for beginners. The square knot is commonly used to join two lengths of rope together, providing security in many situations. Next, we'll look at the fisherman bend. This knot is strong and reliable, ideal for connecting to ropes of similar size. It's particularly popular among anglers for its durability. Finally, we'll cover the sheet bend. This knot is incredibly useful for joining to ropes of different thicknesses. It's a great solution for situations where other knots might not work effectively. Thank you for watching part 1 of From Easy to Crazy. We hope you found the information on basic knots helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Your support is a huge motivation for us to keep creating more interesting content. Get ready for part 2, where we'll explore more complex knots and exciting applications. Stay tuned, thanks again, and see you in part 2.